Kayako versus Intercom, which is the best help desk software? That's the question we're tackling today. If you're trying to figure out which one will truly help you manage customer support with efficiency, stay tuned because we're going to dive deep and compare their key features, pricing, usability, and more, giving you a clear answer by the end. Let's kick things off by talking about the user interface. Kayako offers a pretty straightforward dashboard, which is perfect for teams that need something simple without too much complexity. However, while the interface is clean, it can sometimes feel a little outdated and lacks some of the more modern touches you'd expect in 2025. It's functional, but it's not the most intuitive, especially for new users. Intercom, on the other hand, has a sleek, modern UI that's user-friendly from the get-go. It's designed to feel very intuitive with easy navigation, which makes it a bit more polished and ready for teams that prioritize design alongside functionality. Next thing to consider is the ticket management system. Kayako is pretty solid here, offering a full multi-channel approach. They allow you to track, manage, and respond to support tickets from email, chat, social media, and more. It's robust, but the ticket management system can become overwhelming as your team scales up. If you're a larger business, you may find yourself spending more time organizing rather than solving problems. Intercom, however, shines when it comes to ticketing. Its intelligent system helps you manage customer inquiries across channels, too, but it brings a little more flexibility with automated workflows, making it easier to automate repetitive tasks. But it's not perfect. Intercom's ticketing system, while more advanced, can sometimes feel like it's too much for smaller teams to fully take advantage of. The third thing is customer engagement. Kayako excels in providing live chat support, which is integrated directly into its ticketing system. It's very efficient for smaller teams, but as your support needs grow, you might feel like it's missing some advanced features like in-depth analytics or proactive engagement tools. Intercom, on the other hand, leads with its automated messaging and targeted campaigns. You can segment your audience and create personalized experiences that are ideal for scaling businesses. But again, there's a trade-off. If you want all those advanced features, you'll need to pay a pretty premium price for Intercom. When it comes to pricing, both Kayako and Intercom have their drawbacks. Kayako offers more affordable options compared to Intercom, especially for small businesses. Their pricing starts at a reasonable rate, but as you add more features, it can quickly add up. Intercom, while pricier, offers more advanced functionality, especially when it comes to automation and integrations. However, if you don't need all those bells and whistles, you may feel like you're overpaying for features you'll never use. The fifth thing is integrations. Kayako provides a solid range of integrations, but the downside is that it's not quite as extensive as Intercom's. Intercom has a long list of integrations with other software and apps, making it perfect for businesses that need to sync data across different platforms. This makes it much easier to create a connected ecosystem. Kayako's integrations are more limited, which might be fine if your needs are simpler, but can be a hurdle for businesses with more complex setups. Now, you might be wondering, with both of these tools offering their own strengths and weaknesses, which is the better option? Here's the thing, both Kayako and Intercom are good, but after trying them both, I found that neither truly hit the mark for an all-around great experience. That's why I want to introduce you to a competitor that does it better. After using both Kayako and Intercom extensively, I've found a better alternative, one that's not only user-friendly, but also offers advanced features, better ticket management, and pricing flexibility. And the best part? You can try it for yourself risk-free. If you want a solution that actually ticks all the boxes for your support needs, click the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Ultimately, while Kayako and Intercom are both solid options, the real game changer is just a click away. Make sure you check it out, because finding the right help desk software shouldn't be a headache.